Hey everyone and welcome back. Fathom missing transcripts after your meetings. Let me show you why and how to fix it. First, check which Fathom experience you are on the old bot-based experience. Generates transcripts only after your meeting ends when the recording processes, no real-time transcription there. The new desktop experience includes live summaries that update during the meeting. If you are on Mac with English meetings, you may already be eligible to upgrade. Second, verify your capture mode. If you are using the new experience, you can choose between modes before each meeting transcript. Only gives you just transcript and summary. Audio only captures locally, and audio and video uses the bot. Make sure you are not on capture off mode. Third, check your audio quality. The model struggles with overlapping speech and poor audio. Fathom consistently hits over 93% accuracy in benchmarks, but low quality input still causes issues. If a transcript is still missing, try reinstalling the Chrome extension or reauthorizing Fathom with Zoom. Free plan includes unlimited recording, so missing transcripts are usually a technical issue, not a plan limit. And that is it. Check your experience, version, capture mode, and audio quality. If this helped, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.